To get started, I'm going in with the Camille Rosemary water. This is going to help my hair to accept the oil that I'm going to do for my hot oil treatment and really get my cuticles opened up. I'm spraying this on my scalp and also all over my hair strands. I wanted to start trying to incorporate this rosemary water into my routine because I've seen a lot of girls using it and found a lot of great benefits from it. It is very moisturizing, as well as the rosemary in this water is great at promoting hair growth. Next, I am going in with the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Oil. I've used this oil a lot in the past and I really like it. I'm just applying a generous amount all over my hair strands and also like applying it to my scalp and rubbing it in my scalp as well. When I am doing my hot oil treatments, I like to section my hair in 2 sections and just work that way. It's easier to make sure that I take care of all my strands and get the product evenly distributed, but it also makes the sections more manageable for me as well. And when I'm applying this oil, I like to focus a lot on the ends of my hair as well as the roots. And my logic behind this is the ends are the oldest part of the hair, so I want to make sure that that is moisturized, as well as I want to make sure that I'm getting my scalp as well so that I can stimulate my scalp and just promote some hair growth. My hair grows pretty fast anyway, but anything that I can do to help and speed the process up is what I want to do. Once I finish applying the rosemary water and rosemary oil, I'm going to use a shower cap and sit under my dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes before I shampoo. To shampoo my hair today, I am using the Joico Moisture Recovery Moisturizing Shampoo. I wanted to try a new moisturizing shampoo, and this one intrigued me because it claims to be for thick, coily, coarse hair, which is what I would consider myself to have. I am relaxed, but I am text-lax at this point. My hair still has a lot of texture, and I'm really focusing on moisture because I am trying to retain as much length as possible. So I'm trying out some new products to help me with that. Now, my first impressions of this shampoo was I liked the way that the shampoo smelled. If you've used Joico products before, you know, like their products have kind of like a perfumey smell, which is not a bad thing, but that's really not my favorite smell when it comes to hair products. I like that kind of like old school hair products smell, if you know what I mean. And this shampoo was very nostalgic because it had that smell. And that is one of the things that I really liked about this shampoo. One of the things that I personally look for when I am trying out a new shampoo to see if I like it or not is I look for something that cleanses my hair really good. My hair feels really clean. My scalp is really clean. But after I'm done shampooing, my hair does not feel dry and stripped. I'm still able to detangle my hair and it doesn't feel like straw or, you know, like a hay ball or anything. That is what I look for with shampoo. When I shampoo my hair, I do 2 rounds of shampooing, and I usually use the same shampoo for both the first shampoo and the second shampoo. Normally, I like to wash my hair in the shower. It's just easier for me, and my hair is all going backwards. I'm still getting used to this method of washing my hair in the sink, but today I was really busy and had a lot of things to do, and I did not feel like getting in and out of the shower. So I just decided to wash my hair in the sink. What do you guys like? Are you a shower, wash your hair girl, or do you like washing your hair in the sink? I know it's usually one or the other, but I do both depending on what I'm feeling. I also feel like the longer your hair is, the harder it is to wash it in the sink. Yeah, and that's why I like to wash it in the shower. Also, when I wash my hair like this, the water tends to get in my ears and in my eyes, and I just don't like that. But it did the job for this specific time, and it's easier to record and show you guys what I'm doing when I wash it in the sink. One thing that I like to pay very close attention to when I'm shampooing my hair is I like to make sure that I get all of the shampoo out and just make sure I go, you know, around the back of my neck, around my ears, everything, because I don't want any shampoo left on my hair. I feel like that might make my hair dry or something. I don't know. So I just like to make sure I get it all out. And the same thing with my conditioners. I like to make sure I rinse those out very thoroughly. So usually I spend about 10 minutes or so like really washing my hair. I like to take my fingers and scrub my scalp, massage my scalp, make sure I'm lifting up anything that might be on my scalp. Once I'm done with the shampoo, I am going into detangle because I'm about to do my first round of deep conditioning. I like to try to start my detangling from the ends up. I just find that this minimizes any shedding or breakage that I get. I'm not perfect and sometimes I forget, but for the most part, I like to detangle my hair starting from the ends to the roots. And like I said, with this shampoo, it did a good job of cleaning my hair, but you guys can see it's not my hair is not giving me a hard time with the detangling, and that's because it's not dry. It's still very moisturized, and that shampoo definitely helped with that. Also, if you look at my comb, you notice that there's not a lot of hair coming out in the comb. My hair is not shedding a lot either from that detangle session. For the first deep condition session that I'm using, I am using one of my favorite deep conditioners. You guys have probably seen me use this if you've watched me before or been watching me for any length of time. And I'm using the Silk Elements Luxury Moisturizing Treatment. This is a really good deep conditioner if you want your hair to feel soft, if you want your hair to feel moisturized, and if you want your hair to be silky and feel silky. I have gotten so many compliments on, how shiny my hair is, how soft my hair actually feels. And I think it is because of this conditioner, because once I started using it, it was a game changer for me. Now, I like to apply a lot of conditioner just to make sure I'm getting my hair fully coated. I like to focus on that middle section because that section tends to be the driest for me and where I have a lot of breakage, so I'm kind of babying that section. I like to also focus on the nape because I tend to get a lot of breakage there and the ends, and I like to section my hair in halves to do this. I'm going to use a plastic cap and sit back under my dryer for 20 to 30 minutes. Look at my hair after that session. You can tell that my hair is fully hydrated. I'm having no problems detangling. And now I'm about to move into my second deep conditioning session. I've been really trying to baby my hair and put back all of the necessary moisture and just give my hair everything it needs. So today I am using a new conditioner for me, and it is the Joico Moisture Recovery Treatment Balm. This line has 3 products that come in it. It's the shampoo that you saw me use, it has a conditioner, and it has this recovery treatment balm. I was going to get the conditioner, but my Ulta was out of it, so I just decided to do the recovery treatment balm instead. I knew this product was going to be bomb because it had 4.5 stars. And y'all, I've never used a conditioner like this. If you don't try anything in this video that I'm showing you, definitely get this recovery treatment balm, especially if your hair is dry and you want more moisture. This does exactly what it says in the title. It feels like a balm on your hair. I don't know if you guys have, I'm sure you guys have used lip balm before, where you have that kind of like, I guess it's like a glossy or moisturized coated feeling. That is what this feels like on your hair. It feels like it gives your hair like a moisturized coating type feeling. I hope that makes sense how I'm describing it. I applied that and I sat under the dryer with that for about 15 minutes. The bottle says only leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, but I always leave mine a little bit longer. And these are my results of my wash day. Let me know what you guys think. I'm loving the results and my hair feels so soft and so moisturized. I hope you give these products a try. Thank you for watching.